This is Mrs. Notaboom, and this is my second makeup tutorial. I decided to do another one, frankly, by popular demand, and also because I'm going to do something a little different, which is I'm going to try to do 60s makeup tonight because my dress kind of has a 60s vibe. It's just groovy, okay? Okay, so I am a little older, so this might look a little tough, but we have to just go with it. You hear the dog? Jeez. So my face is clean and bare, no makeup. That's what you get. And I have a little bit of what we call concealer. And I'm going to use concealer, not something I would normally use. I stole 2 colors from Josie's makeup, and I'm going to use this one because it looks like there's the most left in there. So I'm going to just put this on, and then I'm going to actually put regular foundation over it. Just in the corner of my eyes is kind of where I need it. Now I have a new tool that I didn't have last time. It's called a clown nose. Okay, you're gonna tell me that's not a clown nose? I know a clown nose when I see one. But Josie tells me it's also a sponge. So I have started using it as such. And it is kind of nice because it does kind of, blend in the foundation, and in this case, the concealer. What are you trying to conceal anyway? I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to put a little more on. I got a big old freckle right there. Gee, it was sure cute when I was 12. It's really not that cute anymore, kids. Now it's like an old lady spot. The last prom that I wore my Spanx to. Now, at least, I'd say 50% of you know what Spanx are. It's underwear that makes you look different from where you really are. Less curvy, more curvy, flatter. I don't know. And I had some Spanx on, and it was for a prom in the Dalles. And let me tell you what happened to my Spanx. Yep, I'm talking about my underwear. I had driven my Cadillac. I had a 1970 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, and I'd taken my Cadillac to the prom in the Dalles. And on the way back, after I'd taken the last picture, I was driving down I-84, and while I was driving, I wriggled out of those Spanx, and I opened that passenger window, and I threw that Spanx out the window into the Columbia River. Good riddance, I say. I'll never wear them again. I mean, I hope they made it to the Columbia River and not onto the windshield of the guy behind me. But I'm not a fan of Spanx anymore. What you see is what you get. I'm letting it all hang out. Coffee. Got to stay up past 8:30. Okay. Now, look. I'm going to put on my foundation. Guess what? It's the same stuff I was wearing when I made my first makeup tutorial like 5 years ago. What's going to be different is the Priscilla Presley eyes, okay? So here, I put a little foundation on here, and I take my little clown nose, and I just dab it. It feels good, honestly. It really does. You would want to do this. Okay. Oh, and by the way, Josie isn't here to bail me out, so I've got to figure these eyelashes out on my own. The eyelashes are going to be fun. Okay, so that's a face. It's like a blank slate, a blank canvas. And so now we're going to do the art. So I know that I have to draw a cat eye because that's 60s. And I got these eyelashes. Look, texture eyes. It's a pun. Texture eyes and texture eyes. I do like a pun. And it's real crazy. Look at that. They're real crazy. And they're kind of curved. I mean, they're just huge. So I'm going to open these. There's a cat watching me for sure. Do you want to see the cat? I bet you do. Cat. Wow. So because I struggled with the glue in my last makeup tutorial, don't know if you saw it, I bought something new this time, which is called Line and Lash. And what it is it's a black eyeliner plus it's glue. It's glue. So you put on the eyeliner and then you can put the eyelash right on. Okay, now here's the eyelashes. And I don't know, is there a left and a right? Do you know what I mean? Or is that dumb? Like it's not contacts. I think it's a little thinner or shorter at one part. So I feel like it's like this. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try to draw a line and just at the base of my lashes. Yeah, old ladies are not meant to do this. Okay, I'm getting a little worried that the glue might be drying. So even the line looks really stupid. I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick the lash on there. I did get some advice from some of my kids who said, use tweezers. Put this eye, oh, it's a whole eyelash. It's just huge. Oh, it actually stuck. I guess it worked. It's really funny. Oh, golly, you guys. I'm going to have to cover it up with eyeshadow, but you know what? I'm going to do that, so don't even worry about that. Oh, I got a mess on this bench. No duct tape, though. I'm taking that, there it is. Putting a spider right on my eye. Get ready. God, it's so sticky. That one's perfect. I'm gonna wear this every day. I mean, these are just looking so good. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try and draw, you can't even see the cat eye because the lashes are so massive. But I'm still gonna try to add a little more of a, I don't know what you call it. Some kind of a little tail? Well, I don't think that really did anything. But the eyelashes are just spot on. I'm kind of loving them. I bought some clean eyebrow brushes, a whole bunch of them. So I don't have to get out an old dirty colored one and use it. And I have quite a palette here. This is NYX Ultimate. I can't read the rest of the writing, but I can read that because it's in large. And I'm gonna go for, wow, one of these. Okay, I'm gonna kind of go for this bluey tealy one. Boy, there's just so much going on top of my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one. I got these at Walgreens, and I think, Max, is that your dad that works there? The guy with the cute mustache? I think that might be, possibly could be Max and Mason's dad, but I'm not sure. Oh, I've kind of botched it, but I don't think you can tell unless you look really close, which I guess since I'm making a video, we are looking really close. I have seen tropical fish this color. Yep. Yes, I have. And they are pretty. You know what? Even my very own parakeet comes to mind. So I'm going to use this highlighter that I bought 4 years ago for a previous makeup tutorial, and I'm going to put it on my eyelids. Because why not? There's nobody to tell me not to. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at that. Oh, when I walk out, people are gonna fall down laughing. I think Priscilla Presley would be proud of me. Now let's try and work on my eyebrows a little. And I have this little eyebrow pencil. Okay, and this is just like a cheap little black pencil that's not too soft and creamy. And now I'm starting to scare myself. When I look in the mirror, I can't. I'm glad I don't have to look at myself tonight, and you guys do. I am going to try to fix my hair. I'm going to fix my hair in a big old, you know how they had a big thing right there and then it kind of came down like that? My older sister, who's definitely a child of the 60s, used to put a little paper cup under there and then tuck her hair under, and that's how she'd get that bump. I don't have a bump it. I know that a bump it can do it. Now, I'm going to put a little more sparkle on the top of those eyes. I could put blush on, but the 60s look doesn't rely heavily on blush. I'll put a little bit on, honestly. And then, of course, the lipstick is a very kind of subtly pale pink. It's frosty. It's not anything, you know, like natural. It's as unnatural as possible. So just a little blush. Now, here's my lipstick. It's not the perfect one. And of course, you need to get the hair to go with this also. Yeah, it's not real frosty, but you know what? It doesn't matter because what do you think? I like it. I think it's good. Let's party. Peace out.